Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. This is Soel Rana. I have recently passed my class 5 road test. That's been full driving license I will get without any restriction. So I'm gonna share my experience so that you can be passed easily in your first attempt. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, examiner in the test, he will not trick you or he will not advise you to break any law. Okay, so you should follow the rules and regulation in the road. There are some misconception I will also clear at the end of this video. So keep watching. Number two, they expect you will drive. Everybody can drive, right? But they expect from you to drive safely so that you are safe and uh, yeah, other people, those are around you, they are also safe, and you follow the traffic sign, rules, regulation, all these things. And number three, they will give you guidelines, they will give you instruction or direction. Like turn left from the next signal, turn right from the next signal, change the lane when it is safe. This is how they give you direction. Okay, they do not say anything to uh, break the law, as I said. So if they tell you to, if you think that it will break the law, so you can mention him, sorry, I'm not supposed to park here, I'm not supposed to break this noise or any sign. If you see any hazard, okay, you can share with him. So he is also human being, he can also do some mistake. Okay, so you can, yeah, as a serious and as a conscious driver, you should alert him as well. Okay, on the test, he may ask for parallel parking or reverse parking, or side parking. Okay, and he will ask you to open the door. So to before open your door, you should look three side. You should look front. If there any incoming car is coming or incoming anything is coming, you should look at your left side, second window, that if anybody coming or not, and you should also check your mirror. These three things you have to look after. If you think safe, then you can open your door, but you should not open your door with left side. Okay, so you should open your door with right hand, so that your shoulder turn around here and you can see the road very easily. Okay, you have to open your door with your right hand. Nothing wrong if you open the left door, I'm telling it, so that if you try to open your door with right hand, then your shoulder will move, right? That means your visibility will be more clear and you can open the door easily. It is the safest method, and examiner will be pleased with that you are very aware of the rules, regulation, and safety. Okay, so and before open the gate, you will stop your engine just the way you are parking your car safely and going to home. Okay, just like that. Okay, don't forget to brake, I mean parking brake your car. Okay, and when you start, people forget to release the parking brake, so don't do that type of mistake. Okay, so they will ask for the hazard of this road. Can you see any hazard of this? So there are 5 hazard in the road. Okay, number 1 is pedestrian. Number us is all type of vehicle. It could be cycle, it could be bus, truck, anything. So number 3 would be parking object. If anything is parking the road, that is hazard. Number 4 would be environmental hazard. Environmental means like foggy weather, like snowing weather and raining weather, this type of thing. Another thing is like trees, bushes. It can reduce your visibility. right? When you're turning, there could be bushes, you cannot see properly. At that time you have to forward carefully and move left and right, then can proceed. Okay, there are 5 types of hazard, so you have to be aware about it. And as I said, they will tell you to parking, right? So you're not supposed to parking in front of uh, fire hydrant. So be careful about it. And you cannot park in the intersection. You cannot change lane intersection. Please keep in mind. And maintain your speed management is very crucial thing. Suppose when you are going to uphill, you have to maintain your speed, and when you are downhill, you may be a little bit faster. Your car may be a little bit faster, then at that time you have to cover the brake. Braking also should be smooth, because so that your examiner get feelings like you are out of control of your car, you are not comfortable with car. Okay, if he think that you are not comfortable, you feel hesitant, you will not pass at the exam. Okay, in the exam they will ask you, do you have any electronic device or recording device? You are not supposed to keep any electronics or device. If you have, please switch off your device. Okay, on the test, they will emphasize your driving habit, like when you're turning right or left, do you check the shoulder, over the shoulder? You have to check the over the shoulder. When you change the lane, do you use indicator uh, properly? And are you giving enough time to the others people to understand your intention? Like, give your indicator 5 seconds to people. Okay, some people are giving indicator and change the lane right away without giving others any chance. No, this is not the proper way. Okay, and before changing the lane, or before changing your before doing the turning, you should check your mirror, back mirror, side mirror. You should check your shoulder. Okay, and so that you can check your blind spot, right? And then do your turning. Okay, so this is a very important thing. And while you are waiting in the red light, yeah, and start to move, before starting move, please try left or right. Is there any cyclist or any scooter come around your vehicle or not? You have to be active and to be scanning everything in intersection, pedestrian, and incoming car as well, incoming traffic, all those things. And special careful, mm, you have to be in your left turning and right turning. I think you know already that you can turn right at red signal, okay, but not in left. You can turn right in the left signal, but there are sunshine symbol that you are not allowed to turn right at the red signal. So maintain that road and signal. So what is the misconception? People think that uh, mm, uh, examiner will trick them. Examiner will misguide them. No, examiner will not trick you or misguided you. Okay, and when you turning to the left, so you have to be also careful about how to position your car. Okay, most of the people are fail here. Okay, people think that they have to change the lane or change the take the left turning while it is yellow. No, sometime in the time of yellow light there are incoming traffic. Okay, so they could be very rush. At that moment you have to wait, and when the car is gone, you are supposed to cross your you are supposed to take your left turn. Okay, even it is red, no doubt, no issues with that. Even it is red, you can complete your turning because you are already on the road. Okay, and while you are in the road waiting for the left turn, at that time your steering should be straight. Your steering should not be little bit curved on the left. At that time they will fail you. Okay, and if you are delay, if you are slow, if you are hesitant, they will understand and they will mark you accordingly. And while you're parking, people thinking in a reverse parking, if you hit any object, you are fail, right? Yeah, that's true. But if you hit the car of the road, you are not full. You are free to adjust your gap, and but do not take longer time. Okay, and when you are parking or reversing, don't get too close to other car. If you get too close, then they will mark you negatively. Okay, so there are 4 skills they are actually checking: space management, speed management, communication with others, how do you communicate, like indicator, headlight, all these things, and traffic rules and regulation. Okay, people are they following the rules and regulation? Is he easily understand how to do by seeing the sign and symbol of the road? Are you familiar with that? This is the thing. And there are common misconception, that is, if the instructor do not tell you anything, you should go straight. You should go straight. No, you should not go straight. You should go according to the road mark, according to the road sign and symbol. Okay, if your road guided you, you can only turn left, then you have to go left. Okay, you cannot go straight. If your road tell that this is a one-way road, and you have to drive accordingly. If the road tell you that you have to stop, you have to stop. You cannot go. He is checking your skill, that do you understand the road signs and symbol or not. Okay, so if he doesn't tell you anything, you have to follow, you have to go according to the road. Okay, not steady. Okay, so be aware of it and take some classes if you like. And if you have any question and concern, please feel free to write in the comment box. I will try to answer that and clear your doubt. Thank you so much for being with me, and take care of yourself. Let me know if you pass the exam, then I'll be grateful for that. And feel free to subscribe to my channel, and see you another video. Bye.